Sakthi Dental Clinic. Oral surgery refers to a variety of procedures that are performed to treat dental and oral conditions that cannot be treated with more conservative methods. Here are some common oral surgery procedures. Tooth extraction. Tooth extraction is the removal of a tooth that is damaged, infected, or impacted. Wisdom teeth removal. Wisdom teeth removal is the extraction of the third molars, which often become impacted and can cause pain, infection, and other dental problems. Dental implants. Dental implants are artificial tooth roots that are placed into the jawbone to support a replacement tooth or bridge. Jaw surgery. Jaw surgery is a procedure that is performed to correct abnormalities of the jaw, such as a misaligned bite or a jaw that is too small or too large. Cleft lip and palate repair. Cleft lip and palate repair is a procedure that is performed to correct a birth defect that affects the lips, mouth, and palate. Oral surgery procedures may be performed under local anesthesia, sedation, or general anesthesia, depending on the complexity of the procedure and the patient's needs. It is important to consult with an oral surgeon to determine the best treatment plan for your individual needs.